The number line shows points E, F, G, and H, which point represents the sum of 2 and 5/10 plus negative 4 and 5/10. Alright, so we have 2.5 plus negative 4.5. Whenever you see a positive number added to a negative number, you're essentially combining values that are going in opposite directions. But don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Think of positive numbers as moving to the right on a number line and negative numbers as moving to the left. So, 2.5 is a positive number, and we start by moving 2.5 units to the right from 0. But then, we're adding a negative number, which means we'll move in the opposite direction 4.5 units to the left. Now, since we're moving left more than we moved right, we'll end up in the negatives. To solve this, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger one. So, 4.5 to 2.5 equals 2.0. But since we're moving left, our answer is negative, so the final result is negative 2.0. Point F is located at negative 2.